How to use a debit card for a thrifty rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For thrifty car rental debit card, to qualify, Thrifty accepts American Express, MasterCard, Carte Blanche, Visa, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, China Union Pay, and some debit cards, and they may place an authorized hold on credit debit card to cover the estimated rental charge plus up to $200 for credit card and $500 for debit card for any additional charge that may be incurred. And also, the card holder must present a physical card, as digital wallet cards are not accepted. Debit cards issued under Visa, MasterCard, and Discover logo withdrawals funds directly from the cardholder's account may be used at the outset of a rental to qualify as well. And also, make sure you have physical card. Vehicles class reserve is compact through full size only. And this is how to use a debit card for a thrifty rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.